Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce to you this high potential equipment, the usage method of high potential equipment. Operation instructions. The high potential equipment has a total of 5 functions, which are far infrared thermotherapy, high frequency, high voltage, negative voltage, and localized. Through these 5 functions, put our body in an insulated state and put it in a special high voltage alternating electric field to achieve the purpose of whole body treatment. What you see is the main unit next to me, which is divided into 3 areas: function display area, function operation area, and function output area. This is our standard equipment list, including a remote control, power cord, far infrared thermotherapy connection cable, high voltage cable, detectors, dustproof cap, manual and certificate of quality, far infrared thermotherapy pad, potential treatment pad. Next, I will take you to take a look at our specific usage method. Before introducing the usage, I have a few tips for you. The first instrument needs to be 20 centimeters away from the wall and 1 meter away from home appliances. It needs to be in a horizontal state. The cushion should be placed on a hard, flat, and insulated chair, and the feet should be insulated. Next, we will start to introduce the instrument's usage. First, connect the power supply. Turn on the switch. The function area is lit. Next, I will introduce the usage of our first function, far infrared thermotherapy. The accessories it needs are far infrared warm therapy pad and a warm connection cable. Connect our cable to the seat cushion. And the other end into the far infrared heater. Click the function button, warm in the function area. There are 3 gears to adjust: low, medium, and high. High. Select your preferred temperature. Click start to experience our far infrared heating function. The high-frequency wave usage. The accessories you need are potential therapy pad, high-voltage cable. Connect the high-voltage cable to the cushion and the other end into our high-frequency wave function. Select the high-frequency wave in the function button area. The high-frequency wave icon will appear in the upper left. Click start. Now you can experience our high-frequency wave function. The third function, I'll introduce the usage of high potential. The accessories it needs are potential treatment pad, detector, high voltage cable. Next, let's start the connection operation. This is an optional dual-pass seat cushion for multiple people. Here, I will demonstrate the operation to you. Connect the single-pass seat cushion to the double-pass one. Connect the other end to the high-voltage cable. To connect our high-potential output port, select our time. Time plus and minus each press increases or decreases by 5 minutes. Then comes the voltage. Select 1000, 3500, 7000. It is recommended to start with 1000. Select 1000. Click start. At this time, we can use our voltmeter to test. When you hear the beep, it proves that our device is operating normally. Next, let's experience our high positioning function. In the high positioning function, there are 3 program modes to introduce to you. The first one is our intelligent. Select the intelligent mode in the function button area, which are P1, P2, P3, and P4. You can choose according to your own preferences. Experience the second mode, which is our treatment. Click on the course, and a number of days will appear. There are records of daily experiences. You can choose according to your needs and experience. The third mode requires our optional accessories. Sleep therapy mat. Place this end on the bed. Connect the high voltage cable to our interface. Select our sleep mode. It will show 8 hours. Click Start. Then you can start the experience. The fourth function. Let me introduce the use of our negative potential. The accessories are the same as the high potential. We replace the function outlet with our negative potential. The operation method is the same as high potential. The fifth function. I'll introduce the local use method to you. The accessories it needs are electronic pen, micro guide, local connection cable. Before using the local, we need to turn on the high potential function to make the body on our seat cushion. Then we start to connect the local. Insert our local connection cable. Insert it into the corresponding electronic pen and connect to the back of the local. The above. This is the method of using the high potential device. Wish you a pleasant experience.